apex has been done. You can find a video link of it in the description below. Do the first layer of base gel and use the Future Nails Ombre brush to sprinkle the glitter on. Start with a very small amount of pink glitter, then do the rest of it with silver. Do the same process on the other nails. We are using effective and attractive in this video. Remember to brush off the excess powder between every layer. Do the second layer by doing a little bit more pink and less silver. This is how you get the ombre effect, shifting the two colors on each other. When you do the pink, keep the fingers a bit upwards, because the design is going to be more effective. We are doing the third layer with even more pink and trying to do a fading effect in the middle, using clear top powder at this stage instead of silver. Finish off with the other nails. You don't have to sprinkle the clear top powder, you can do dipping. We always have 2 jars of clear top powder, one for the glittery nails, one for the solid colors. This is only an advice. Cover up with a clear top powder. If they still seem flat, you can add an extra half layer of clear top powder. Do the shaping and buffing. Use the activator generously, this one sets the top coat. Wait 1 minute. Do the first layer of top coat in thin layers quickly. You can do the second layer of top coat in thicker layer. Use cuticle oil to moisturize the skin. This is the long-lasting glossy finish.